Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Jami package is not available on Ubuntu base repository, so you can install it via importing ppa repo as shown. Run the command below to reflect on ppa. Then install Jami as shown by using the following command. When the installation is finished, you can search on the system search bar by typing Jami or just by the icon. Jami will be launched as shown. Next, you need to create an account and you can start working with Jami. That's it. If you have any question, leave it in comments.